Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Just have a little problem with the element. I believe it's a little problem. So a lot of you saw that I had those blue control arms. For a while, they've been really good. I have noticed a little bit of squeaking, and then the last couple weeks it's been getting louder. I don't know if it's because of the cold air, but they are silicone. I think it's silicone type bushings. They're not rubber, so I think they're just getting hard. Now I did notice when I was putting them on that the metal sleeve bushing that goes inside was really tight, and I know when you put the bolt in, it compresses it, and I think that's what's happening. Because when I had took it back to the wheel alignment again to double check everything, and they may have tightened it more because it started getting louder after that when I noticed it. So what I'm gonna do this morning, it's cold. I'm sorry, it's cold. I'm gonna do this morning is take them off. Now I know when I installed them the first time, I did not grease the inner sleeve. I should have done that because with silicone it comes with the little was that like clear grease or whatever, but I didn't put that on, and it's probably my fault 100%. So I have some other grease that I'm gonna put on there, so hopefully that will stop her from squeaking. And then I'm gonna probably put it up and pull out my truck and drive it for a while, and then get back to the element. But this morning I'm gonna go ahead and, because I got all the stuff out real quick, then I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling those control arms off. All right, let's get started. Alright, so I have one of them off, and where I believe it's making a noise is inside. I have to pull this sleeve out, and I think when it's pivoting it's making that squeaking sound. Because on this end, this is just from tightening up the bolts, and it's nothing in the inside that will indicate it's squeaking. It could possibly be squeaking on this also, but I think it's on this end, because when one day it was making the squeaking sound, and I sprayed some WD-40 and it stopped for a little bit, but you know WD-40 is not really the best lubricant, and it stopped for a little bit, and then it started making that noise again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to remove this and put a little grease on the outer side or the inner side of the polyurethane here. So see if I can get this joker out. I don't think that's gonna be good either. I mean, it looks like it's been wearing, but not that much. But I'm gonna still do it anyway. Now that's probably a little bit too much. It's gonna rub most of this off. put some on the outside here. And good measures, put some on this one. I guess that's what happens when you buy cheap parts. Yeah. Gotta expect it. Alright, got that all greased up there. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the bolts outside too. So let's go reinstall it. Alright, I'm gonna put a little grease on here. And another thing that probably my problem is, probably wash it too much. Get the second one in here. I'll come back and clean that. I just noticed I put this on upside down. Shoot. Now I can just loosen it up and swing it down. One. right, so that should do it. I'm hoping that it no longer squeaks anymore, but other than that, I haven't had any other problems out of it. It's been running great, no issues, no check engine lights or anything like that. It's been running great, besides that squeaking. And you have to, I was playing the music so loud so I won't have to hear it anymore. But then when somebody ride with me, I can't have the radio blasting. So they were like, and they sitting there like, wow, is it squeaking so much? But so what? But I got it done. So other than that, that's pretty much it. For you guys that still follow me, I'm still waiting on parts for the CTS, for the front wheels, to get the caliper space just right. It's a spacer that I need, and it's like 8 mils thick, so I'm just waiting on that. Oh, I did get the dash in because I didn't want to bore you guys with that, but I went on ahead and reinstalled and wired it all back up, and started it, and everything works except the navigation, because this car originally didn't have navigation. So I did speak to a company for wiring, but they haven't got back to me yet of wiring this up with the navigation to work. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Like, I got the calipers right there, and just waiting on that. Soon I'm hoping to grab another project so I could keep the channel going. I need some more content. I need to get this car out of here as soon as possible, but I'm still getting parts off of it to finish everything up on it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Until next time, guys, you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but you know, a thumbs up or a thumbs down will help out a lot more. That'll get the videos, you know, ran more through YouTube. But right now it's been dead in the water for me. Once I did see a video popped up when I was just going through YouTube. One of my videos popped up, but I don't have enough likes and subscribes to get the videos going good. But I understand a lot of people don't care about Elements, some don't care about Cadillacs, so I try to make a range of different cars and things, and so we keep stuff going. But other than that, guys, thank you so much, and please comment, like, subscribe if you want to. Later.